In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and schedule social posts in Constant Contact. First, sign in to your Constant Contact account using the official website. Make sure you're on a secure connection and have your login details ready. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that step so your account stays protected. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Next, connect your social media profiles so Constant Contact can publish on your behalf. Head to the area where you manage social connections and choose the platforms you want to link. You'll be prompted to authorize access, approve the permissions so your posts can be created and scheduled from one place. If you manage multiple pages or profiles, double check you're selecting the correct ones before confirming. Now navigate to the social posts, sometimes labeled social or social media. This is your workspace for crafting and organizing posts. You'll see options to create a new post and view anything that's scheduled or previously published. Create your post by adding text first. Keep it clear and conversational, and include a simple call to action like learn more or register today. If you're including a link, paste the full URL so Constant Contact can generate a preview where supported. Add relevant hashtags sparingly, focusing on terms your audience actually follows, then bring in visuals. You can upload images from your computer or choose from your Constant Contact library, including assets from email campaigns you've already built. Aim for high-resolution images, centered subjects, and minimal text on graphics. If the platform supports it, add alt text to make your post more accessible. Give everything a quick proofread to catch typos and confirm the link works as intended. Choose where this post should go by selecting the social accounts you connected earlier. If you're posting to multiple platforms, consider small tweaks for each. For example, a shorter copy for platforms with tighter character limits. Review the post previews to confirm images crop correctly and the link preview looks right. Then set the timing, pick your time zone, choose a date, and select a time when your audience is most active. If you're unsure, start with mid-morning or early afternoon on weekdays and adjust over time. When you're ready, either publish immediately or schedule it for later. After confirming, your post appears in your social calendar. If you need to make changes, you can return to the post to edit or reschedule before it goes live. That's it. Your social post is set up in Constant Contact.